Hi guys, today we're looking at how to change a timing belt on the Seat Leon 2-liter common rail engine using our CT1229 timing belt. This engine triggers a range of emotions. On the one hand, this is probably the final major generation of diesel engines from Volkswagen. No one knows if there will be any more diesel units from Volkswagen in future. On the other hand, it's a really powerful engine producing up to 204 HP that runs extremely cleanly too. This is all made possible by efficient TDI technology and a mild hybrid system with a 12-volt starter generator. Here we have a Seat Leon 2.0-liter TDI engine from 2019 with an output of 110 kilowatts and the engine code DSTB. For this job you'll need our CT1229 timing belt and the V08 toolbox. I'm demonstrating the timing belt change on an engine that has been removed so that I can show you everything more clearly. We have a belt change interval of 210,000 kilometers and a time allowance for labor of 3.1 hours. First you have to dismantle the engine mounting, engine cover and timing belt guard. Then you can set TDC at cylinder 1. I already presented the EA288 engine to you in another episode. This is its successor, the EA288 Evo. It can be distinguished by its larger deflection pulley and modified belt routing. We also have a new water pump which is larger and has this deflection pulley mounted on its housing. Use the locking tools in the V08 toolbox. One is placed on the crankshaft. One locking pin is inserted into the camshaft at the top here and another here next to the high-pressure fuel pump. I'll show you how to do this now in detail. Turn the crankshaft in the engine's direction of rotation until this arrow on the camshaft is at the top and the borehole is visible behind the catch, allowing the locking pin to be inserted into it. The high-pressure fuel pump likewise has a locking mechanism with a borehole for placing a pin in. Another tool is used to lock the crankshaft at the bottom. Note there is a small borehole here and a small lobe here on the sprocket that must engage with the borehole. To secure this tool, use the original bolts from the belt pulley and insert the locking pin into the catch behind. Move the tensioner pulley to its 0 position to slacken the timing belt. To do this, undo the nut and turn the eccentric adjuster counterclockwise until this hole on the adjustment plate becomes visible. Insert the locking tool into the hole, turn the tensioner pulley clockwise to the stop and tighten the nut again. Once this has been done, take off the timing belt, remove both of these locking pins and then use the counter hold to help you undo the camshaft bolt and the nut on the high-pressure fuel pump. Now undo the locating screw and reinsert the two locking tools. When installing the new tensioner pulley, you need to fit it in a specific position. This plate on the tensioner pulley must hook into the slot at the top. Lock the new tensioner pulley by inserting the tool into the eccentric cam here and then move the pulley to its 0 position by turning the eccentric adjuster to the stop. Before fitting the belt, you must first turn the drive sprockets for the camshaft and high-pressure pump clockwise to the stop. Then fit the timing belt in a clockwise direction, starting at the crankshaft. To tighten the tensioner pulley, undo the nut, take out the locking tool and turn the eccentric adjuster clockwise until the pointer is in the center of this notch. Then tighten the nut again. Once the timing belt has been tensioned, it's important that the locating screw here is not at its lower limit, but slightly raised above it instead. And here too, the high-pressure fuel pump's pin mustn't be at the lower limit of the range of movement. Instead, it should be in a midway position. Now tighten the bolt here and the nut here to 20 Newton meters with the help of the counterhold. Then turn the engine over twice in its direction of rotation. If the timing is fine, tighten the screw at the top here to 9 Newton meters and reassemble the engine in reverse order, tightening everything to the torque specified by the manufacturer. Don't forget our seal of quality. Place our part replacement sticker in the engine compartment where it's clearly visible so that the customer sees you've installed quality.